grep password file1. All right, we got some hits there. What if we see what's inside file1? If I can type correctly. So there's a lot more hits of the pattern password inside of file1 than you can see we got here. But the case is different. You can see there's a uppercase here, there's uppercase here. Now, how do we fix this? Let's look at the grep-i option, which is used to ignore uppercase and lowercase in the patterns we are searching for. Let's jump in. Grep's -i option tells grep to disregard uppercase and lowercase in our search results. This comes in handy when we aren't sure if there are letters in our pattern that will be capitalized or not. You can think of the -i option as a mnemonic for insensitive, as in case-insensitive, not the insensitive that forgets to give your grandma a hug before you leave her house. Now let's take a look. We'll clear our screen. Grep dash, gotta do grep, not frep. Grep-i password file1. And there we go. Here's all the matches, regardless of if the letters are uppercase or lowercase. You can see this has 2 uppercase in the middle of the word there. Now, this is another quick option that comes in quite handy in a lot of situations. So keep it in your back pocket at all times. And that's it for this one. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.